BMW hasn't bothered updating the two-seater sports car, knowing it wouldn't be worth the hassle. However, the small rear-wheel drive machine with an electrically deployable fabric roof will still go through the typical life cycle impulse. In fact, the only modification noticeable is at the front where the bumper has been redesigned, but nothing to write home about. BMW left the headlights and taillights exposed since they've been borrowed from the current car. Why isn't BMW giving the Z4 its latest iDrive 8? For the same reason why the design tweaks will be kept down to a minimum, the return on investment wouldn't be enough considering the convertible's sales are weak. In an attempt to rejuvenate demand, it is believed a manual gearbox will be offered for the 6-cylinder engine, M40i, as opposed to today when only the smaller 4-pot mill comes with a clutch pedal. According to people familiar with BMW's agenda, the Z4 LCI will enter production in November. If that's true, it means we're only a few months away from its official premiere. The G29 model, as it's known among enthusiasts, will reportedly cease to exist in October 2025 when Magna Steyr will end production at its Graz plant in Austria, with no direct replacement in sight.